Baby's got hiccups. Oh, it's okay, Ethan.
It's alright, beautiful.
Hiccups are annoying, aren't they?
Mm.
They'll only get more annoying when you grow older.
They're like every 1 second though. No.
Let's scare him. Nah. The best way is holding your breath, but a baby can't hold its breath.
Oh, that was a big one. Oh, he doesn't like it.
Oh, he's so adorable. We've been looking after him for hours now and he's pretty much just slept the whole time. He's really good. Oh, I love him so much. Look. See? Hey. He's looking at your boob because he wants milk probably. Well, his mum's going to be home in a minute to feed him, so we're set.